You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Today, Alyse and I are going to check out #Snapstar.
Yes, but we also need to thanks to Yulu for sending us this #Snapstar.
Thank you very much, Yulu. Now, these are, well, I'm not going to tell them what they are. These are nicely packaged in a really neat box.
Okay.
So this comes out, and then go ahead. You pull one and I pull the other. There you go. Ooh, look at that.
Teamwork.
Pretty nice box with a very pretty label and a bow.
Should I pull it?
And there's a little, let me move this card out of the way. I want to make sure that, ooh, they actually set that in there. We don't want to show. Sometimes there's things on there that you can't show everybody. So I will get this out of the way. Okay, don't pull yet. Okay, yeah. #Snapstar Snap Style Share. Okay, so there is an app that goes along with these dolls. It says, "Welcome to the Snapstar world. Come on and meet the squad. We can't wait for you to snap, style, and share your creations. Love, the Snapstar Squad." Okay, go ahead.
Ooh.
Numero one, open bow. Oh, it's tied really good around there.
You might need to...
Well, we're going to have to work on that one, huh? I got it.
Oh, okay.
This ribbon's easy to do. Okay, go ahead. And then it looks like lid up. You ready? There's a card in there. Wait, okay, that's down, that's down. Let me see. Okay, here we go. And a 1, and a 2, and a whoosh, 3.
Ooh.
The Snapstar Squad. We have Dawn, Echo, Aspen, Lola, Yuki, and Izzy. And they each have what looks to be little like Fashion Diva, Bedazzled Babe, #Wanderlust.
Maybe.
99% Unicorn, #Turn Up, and then Master Crafter. And they each have a little story by each name.
All right.
Let's see. Okay, so there's more here. And that's just where you can find all of their social. All right, next. It's the Snapstar Studio, so we'll have to get that on our phone so we can check that out. All right. Looks like you can change makeup and styles and backgrounds. Let's see what's on this side. It says, "Go ahead and snap, style, share. Don't forget to tag us. #Snapstar. We can't wait to see your creations."
Okay.
Okay, and then, ooh, wait,
Dolls, I
ooh.
guess.
Yeah, they are. Let's see. You get one.
Okay.
I get the other. Let me get this out of the way. So this is empty.
Okay.
And there's some bonus items here for each doll. Okay, all right, so go ahead, open yours. I will open mine. It's always fun
I
to
got
open.
Aspen.
And I've got Izzy, and these are really nice quality boxes. You notice that? Very sturdy. And then I've got a Snapstar bonus outfit. All right, let me get the camera in here.
Cute.
I think what I want to do is download that app, and then we'll open the dolls and do all that.
All right.
So we will come back with a device, probably my phone, and we will download the app.
Okay.
All right, we are back. Alyse decided to keep Aspen in the box.
Yes.
Why do we want to keep it in the box?
So we can give it away.
All right, so you hold up the little clothing accessory for Aspen.
Okay.
And then I will turn it around. The box is, like I said, a really nice quality. The whole thing seems super nice. And then Aspen's story on the card. I will read that while you show that.
All right.
Aspen is a wide-eyed wanderer. She is always on the go and doesn't mind living out of her suitcase. Aspen wants to see the world, and she wants her followers to come along for the ride. Aspen also loves decorating her place and collects treasures from all over the world to adorn her abode. When it comes to interior decor, all the girls rely on Aspen's expert eye.
All right.
Now, is that the same story on the back?
I don't think so.
What does that one say?
I love to travel, and I'm always on the go. Follow me and my Snapstar Squad on Instagram.
At Snapstar Official
to
join me on my adventures. Very good. All right. So we have checked that one out. We are not going to show that one on video.
Yes.
So that one is gone. We are going to open up this one. Now this is a whole new story. Izzy's story. So let's see. What's Izzy's story? Izzy is a green girl who loves the environment and is passionate about recycling. This girl doesn't let anything go to waste. She can turn just about anything into something amazing. She loves hosting crafting parties and the girls go gaga over her creations. And this is Yuki. Yuki is a feisty chick who marches to her own beat. She is a music enthusiast, always cranking out the hottest EDM tracks. When Yuki isn't in the studio, she is book solid DJing parties all over town, and she's always sure to get her girls on the VIP list. So there's the rest if you want to try to pause and read those. Okay. Now this is ready to go. I cut the box here, the tape. Now, it did say somewhere, create your own looks with the Snapstar Studio, and then create your own photo shoot, green screen wall, and stand included, okay?
Oh, cool.
All right, I will let you have the doll. Oh, wait, maybe I'll let you take the rest of that out. That's the stand. She has a little purple purse, a little
Instructions.
cell phone with a clip-on for her hand, and then let's see, how is she held in? One thing around her neck. Very nice, interesting packaging. Usually there's all those little plastic bands, okay? She has a little thing by her neck. And that's all that's holding her in the package. I've never seen that before.
Hey, I got it.
Scissors.
I got it.
Okay, all right. So here she is. Ooh, she looks like she can sit in a variety of positions. Her ankles bend. She bends at the knees. There's like a little click.
Okay.
Like the older Barbie dolls. And then arms turn, wrists have some movement, her head has some movement. That's for her, so put that on the base. Yes, there's a little notch in her back.
This way? Or...
No,
this way. Yeah.
Okay, and then this goes back here. Set up the green screen.
Alright.
So that's so you can pose her and position her.
Let's see.
Oh, not that easy, huh?
Okay. How
I think it's going to go this way.
That way? Alright.
Fold that up. And then that into that. And then the other one into this. This needs to come up. There you go. Got yours in?
Yeah.
It's hard to do when one person's doing one and the other person's doing the other, right? Okay, mine is in. Yours is in.
Yes.
All right, we'll double check this. But I think we need to get our app set because we set her get all that. So we need to get the app. All right, there she is. Look at that.
Cute.
We'll verify this is correct.
All right.
And then we will come back now and, oh, here. Instructions. I didn't see that. Did you see that?
Yeah, I took it out.
Oh, you did? Mm-hmm. Oh, we have it right.
Oh, cool.
We did it right. Okay. That's about it. Oh, you have to take... Looks like you take her hair off.
Okay.
It says 11, get the app, do that, then remove her hair. And then it looks like they show you how to take it off and put it back on. You're sort of pressing here. Let's see.
Okay.
Press and pull. Oh, there you go. See, there's a little pin in there. All right, put her back up there.
Okay.
All right, let's get the app set, and then we will check it out even more. All right, we have the app all installed on my phone. It is ready to go. We need to now. Okay, so there's the how-to section. This explains all the different sections, how to share your photos. Okay. Hey, why don't you be the presser?
Okay.
Sometimes doesn't like my fingers. Oh, see? Okay. Okay, so that teaches you that. Oh, it's a little video, so go back, go to the next one. Ooh.
Ooh.
Wow, you're a star. Achievement unlocked. Okay.
Cool.
So you get to unlock certain features. There's another video.
Screen.
Okay.
Right.
Next. How to use backgrounds. That's what we're going to do. Let's play that.
Okay.
My volume's down.
Left of your screen. You can choose a background that's available in the app or choose a photo from your camera roll. Once you have chosen your backdrop, adjust as needed and voila! You have a stunning image. Easy.
Done.
Yeah.
All right, let's see the next section. How to use the posing stand. I think we did that. Okay, so we're good there. And then how to use the green screen star slider. Let's see what that one is.
All right.
Play that one.
In this video, we will show you how to use your green screen star slider. After you have chosen your background and are ready to take your photo, you can adjust the green screen star slider. Look what happens when you slide up and down.
Yes, that changes the
You are ready to snap away.
the background percentage.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, now all the way out. And then let's see. How to, we did hashtag squad. What's that?
Okay.
Okay, so you could watch a video, back out of there.
Okay.
And then projects. I don't think we have any saves, so you haven't created any projects.
All right.
And then store.
There
Okay,
you
so it
go.
looks like there's things in here you could unlock. So you need to earn coins.
Go.
Okay, who we have in here?
That is her.
All right.
Okay.
And now photo studio. Click on that. Now we're going to start.
Ooh.
All right, so I will adjust her in here. Okay, we don't need a flash.
Yeah.
Now you take the picture.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Bam.
Okay, so the picture's on. No face detected. Do you want to retake the picture? Retake.
Okay.
I'm not sure why. Do it again. Ooh,
All right.
It worked that time.
I think so, yeah.
And then it looks like you have two options. Makeup and do that one. I think that's background on the
This
right.
one?
Yeah. Although it did say to pick the background first. All right, pick one.
Ooh. Okay, I guess we gotta choose one of these. Let's do this one.
Okay. And then,
I guess that's good.
yeah, I guess. I'm not sure what's going on. Wow, you're a star.
Another achievement.
But she's cut off. Can we see her by moving the picture around?
What's that? Ooh, you could put stickers there. Cool. Might just leave it though. Should I press it again?
Yeah, let's arrow out of there. Let's do it again.
Okay.
No, we got to retake it, I think.
Retake it?
Yeah, I think
Alright.
it doesn't like the angle. Let me pick the camera up. I want to do it off camera now. And we'll see if that makes a difference. All right, go ahead and press the button now. Go.
Okay.
Did it detect the face? No, do it
Says
again.
retake. All right.
And action. That worked.
Yes.
Let's see if she fits the space better now.
All right.
Okay. Oops. Go ahead. Do that again.
Do this
Pick
one
the
again.
same one. Ah, that's a
All right,
little better.
good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now put her name on there.
All right.
Izzy. There, let's see what happens. Click it again. There. Can you move it around? Yes.
So, yeah.
Oh, and you can enlarge it. All right, that's cool.
Cute.
And then now let's see. Let's go back, arrow back, and see if we can do the makeup part. Exit. We'll have to do this again. Back again. Let's take it again.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Right about there. Go. Did you like it? Yeah. All right.
Yes.
Check the
Okay.
next one.
Makeup. Okay. This looks like blush, maybe?
I don't know. Pick one. Use lipstick. You're a star.
Okay.
Wow, you're a star. Oh, yeah. Change it. Did you see it change? Yeah, just keep clicking through.
Okay.
I don't know why. Okay, there you go. Now
Okay.
pick something else.
All right. Oh, that's that makeup style. All right.
Okay, and it looked like it changed it above her eyes,
Yeah.
too.
There's a, ooh.
Okay, that's just her face. Ooh, yeah, okay, that changed.
Okay.
That went back to the original.
Yeah.
Now pick something else.
All right. Let's do the lips.
I thought we just did that.
No, we did the blush.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
It's okay. Let's maybe this one.
Nice. Look at that.
I like
That's
this
cool.
one. Yeah. Okay.
All right, so let's see the options on the top right. Is there one that looks like download?
That's maybe save and then settings and then maybe restart.
Yeah, or redo, or yeah.
Redo, yeah.
All right, so let's see. Let's save it.
Okay.
Go ahead,
Got
try it. Okay, good. Yeah, so now that's saved our project.
Okay.
Now you can put the background back in.
Okay, got it now.
There. Now, what were they saying about the slider? If you do two hands on the background, remember that?
Yeah. I think... Oh, that part. Oh,
Yeah.
whoopsies. Okay. I
Either
don't...
that or click this. Nope, that's not it. Yeah, sometimes you do two fingers up and down. Not left and right. There you go. Up and down. Like this. Okay, so
Okay,
that
maybe
option
not.
is not there.
Okay, should I...
Let's go rewatch that video.
All right.
Exit.
And then...
It's in How To.
Yeah.
And
To
then
use backgrounds? Or
how to use the green screen star slider.
Yeah. All right.
Play that.
In this video, we will show you how to use your green
Now pay attention this time.
Okay.
After you have chosen your background and are ready to take your photo, you can adjust the green screen star slider. Look what happens when you slide up and down. When it's just right, you are
I didn't see that.
Yeah, neither did I.
This is after you pick your background.
Yeah.
So do that first. Those are some wild backgrounds. Now go through the whole thing. Okay, click OK.
Okay. And
I
then
need
there
to-
we go.
Yeah. We need to get her all the way.
All the way. There we go.
Okay, now, yeah, move the stand. Take the picture.
There.
There you go.
Cute.
Oh, no face detected.
Oh, we gotta try again.
Retake. Snap. Ooh, that one looked like it did.
Yes. All right.
Okay, now I don't see. Do you still get the little star on the side? No. So once it's set, it's set.
Yeah.
All right, so you can now go back to the makeup part.
Okay. I think I might skip the first step. Maybe do... Wait, I think I actually have
Well,
to...
see what's in here. See what everything that's you can do
Alright.
so everybody can see. Glasses. Give her some glasses.
Glasses? All right.
Yeah. Put those shades. Yeah, cool. Oh, I get it. And then you size them to fit. Oh, that's cool. Ooh, is she styling now? Styling!
And then hairstyle.
Ooh, you can change your hair too.
Yeah. Whoa.
Nice. All right, so save that one and we'll come back now and wrap it up with everybody.
All right.
All right, we'll be right back.
Okay.
All right, Alyse and I are back. Now, great job, Alyse.
Thanks.
So what do you think about the hashtag Snapstar Dolls and app?
It was pretty fun.
Pretty fun. Now, she wanted to play more.
Yeah.
But I had to say, well, let's get to wrapping it up here. Now we have the giveaway doll, which is Aspen with her outfit. And we also have the extra outfit here. That's what the back of this one looks like. And you can mix and match. Just doesn't have to go for any one particular doll, it looks like.
Exactly.
And then if you want to learn more about this, look in that description. We'll have information there. And thanks again to Yulu. And don't forget to hashtag Snapstar all of your great creations. Maybe we should put that one out there. You want to do it?
Yeah, maybe.
And thanks for watching. Later.
Bye.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave,
What's up, Butch?
make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.